Hello to everyone, I'm Mattia and I'm a bartender in Seymour's bar in Zetter Townhouse, Marvellous hotel. I would like to say thanks to the guys of Jam Jar for the great opportunity to spend the day in this great English garden and foraging botanicals. What I'm very impressed was the huge rhubarb plant that they have it, and I had the idea to infuse it with the citrus of this London dry gin. So I will use 50 milliliters Jam Jar gin infused fresh rhubarb, 25 milliliters of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 50 milliliters of sugar syrup, adding the ice, make it really cold, and a splash of soda. The Jam Jar Rhubarb Collins. Enjoy it!